ba ang totoo, Chelsea? Did you quit? Or were you at the verge of quitting? What is the story?
I was at the verge of quitting na po.
Dahil?
Dahil we have to face it, Tito Boy, medyo matagal yung competition this time. Inabot siya ng 4 months. So, dahil ako po, I came in here as an independent. Wala akong resources. I didn't have
Pera,
much,
in other words. Okay.
financial. So, dadating talaga sa point na mauubos ka. And I was almost there to quit. But because of the people who
Wait,
supported me...
gaano kagastos? Magastos talaga yung pagsali? Why? Because you have to pay for your gown? Ano ang mga
Siguro po,
expenses?
magastos siya kasi ako, I come back and forth to Bulacan.
Oh.
So, siguro yung transportation, the dress, the makeup, everything, you have to provide it on your own.
Didn't you have a team? Didn't you have a glam team?
I had
You had?
when, actually sila yung mga nag-support sa akin when I almost gave up. They were there